Okay, it's down here, and today I'm going to show you about my binding. Okay? Alright, so I think it does pretty well. Layering. It's good, so no one can see it today. Yes, I know, a lot. And just wearing 3 sports bras and a belt. My sister's. Show you their muscles too. Here's my muscles. Let's see. Can't really see. Let's see if I can switch it around. And right, other side. When I'm not wearing all those layers. I got my braces on today. Can't really see. Back there is the only one I didn't get a brace on. It's really random. And then in the office, I went to scratch my nose because they had like my mouth held open with these cheek retractor thingies, and when I did, I accidentally knocked one out, and it hit my orthodontist, and she dropped one of my brackets, so that's why I didn't get one here. But oh well, less pain, and I have no idea what the song is. Yeah, that's what you get from Enya. I got my friends to start using male pronouns, so that's good.